Alright folks, good morning. This is Marcel. This is Amtrak train number 11, code Starlight. This train is going southbound to Los Angeles. Here it comes. P42 number 155 leaves off of this train. A P42 DC. Make that two P42. I don't know what's going on with the ALC 42s on those trains. And 201, the steel email. 201 is telling. Have a safe trip, everybody. All right. The train is headed to southbound of Los Angeles. Heads up to RCM guy. Heads up to David Jones. Heads up to Oscar Reyes. P42 number 155 and P42 number 201 with the EMD steel bell. Let's tell it second. So I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good one.